Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I post a lot of beauty related content here on YouTube. If they're the kind of videos you love to watch, then please hit that subscribe button down below. Today we are testing something amazing from Beautybay. I'm really happy when, well, they leaked these, I'd say what, Friday maybe? They leaked them on the app by accident and then they launched, what day are we? Wednesday. So they launched Monday. Got my hands on it yesterday and they are 3 new palettes. So yeah, and what's so special about this video is I am collabing, and I feel like I haven't collabed in a very long time, with Alex, who is Makeup with Alex Kate here on YouTube, and with Jodie, who is Makeup by Jodie. Oh crap, I haven't said Jodie's name in a long time. Hold on, why do I want to say Makeup by? Well, that was silly of me. Her name is just Jodie Marie on YouTube. Why did I have such a mind fart basically? Anywho, let's start showing you the products. Definitely go out, oh my ear's itchy, you can tell I haven't filmed in a while. Definitely go below and click on their videos after you've watched this one, because we're all actually collabing on a different palette. I love that idea. I love when we do this because it just means you can see a palette in action, and not the same one, but like everyone doing something different or something different palette. So I really enjoy it, and I love Alex and I love Jodie to pieces. They are so good. Like, Alex reviews everything you can think of. That girl reviews it, and I love watching her reviews. They're so in depth, they're so detailed, and really helps me to make my mind up whether I want to buy every single item or not that has just launched. And then Jodie, her looks are fucking incredible. That girl is so talented, it's amazing. She does the most creative looks. Definitely go and check out like her Instagram and her TikTok, because I'm telling you now, she does incredible looks, like absolutely incredible. So I honestly love these two girls with all my heart. So definitely go in my description box after, search their videos, play their videos, send them some love, say I sent you, because you know what, might as well, innit? So let's just get into this video before I just carry on rambling. For free I got this little brow soap thing, and I should have used that. I've already put something in my brows, so annoying. All the 3 palettes come in like a box like this, so it would just say the name of the palette. But this is what they look like. So I got the medium sized palettes and they're £10 each, but they had a code and that code got me 20% off. So I think I paid £24 for all 3 of these. I'm sad though that I didn't get the big earthy palette, but I will in the future. I just will test these out first. So I got the small earthy palette, which I believe is the palette that Jodie is doing a video on, and it just looks like this. Love the palette. Then I got the midnight palette, which is more of your purples and blue, which I believe is the palette that Alex is doing a tutorial on. I'm trying not to get this mixed up, because imagine me, I just end up using the wrong palette. And then I am doing a tutorial on the berries palette. It is stunning. So let's just throw on some swatches for you guys. Here are the swatches. They're not the best swatches I've had from a Beautybay palette. I find that the mattes definitely needed building up and the shimmers needed building up. Like, one layer was more like a wash of colour, and it was like you'd pull it over the top of a shadow to make it shimmery, and then 2 layers it was intense. So let's see how these perform on my eyes, because there's definitely some dry texture in some of the shadows as well. So basically this shade here called Daiquiri, it was quite hard to swatch and get my finger in there, but it actually swatched beautifully on my skin. So very unsure about that, to be fair. I'm gonna do something I haven't done in a long time, is go from darkest to lightest. So I'm thinking let's take the shade Journal, which is this deep berry tone, and put that on the outer corner. There's a bit of fallout just there as well. Now I want to go in the shade Loyalty and just blend that out a little bit. Well, I'm not really going to blend. I'm going to kind of just pack on colour and then I'm going to blend at the end. Sometimes this works horribly. Now I want to go above that with Claret. Maybe I should zoom you in. Thinking with Claret, I'll kind of keep it on the outer corner. I don't know what shade to go in with next. I'm thinking maybe Shake down here. I really want to incorporate rosewood somehow. Let's try a bit of rosewood. God, that's very dusty. Okay, it actually blended in quite well. Now let's take Shake down here. I actually don't know what I'm putting on my lid. I'm a bit like, I don't know what shade to use. I'm thinking maybe either going in with Nova or Daiquiri. I'm not sure. Let's go in with Nova up here. I don't feel like there's the right kind of shimmers for this kind of palette. Let's see when I put it on. Ooh, okay, no, that is very pretty. Okay, actually no, that's fine. I like that. Well, I just went and finished off the look off camera. Well, just finished my base off camera. And let me tell you, this palette blends like a dream. I was a bit unsure at first, but oh my god, it blends like a dream. On my face, I have a mixture of L'Oreal Infallible and the Conceal and Define Foundation in 8.5. I've got my Baleo bronzer from Revolution Pro. Blush, I literally, because I reorganized all my blushes, I just found the closest thing, and I think it was this Be Perfect in Magma. Oh no, not Magma. Yeah, this one in Heat. It is gorgeous. I put Colourpop Wisp on my cheeks as a highlight. My lips, let me tell you, my lips, I am loving this combo. I just picked Random Doll Beauty Liner. This is killing it. Then I went in with a Relove lipstick in Brave in the center, and I thought I picked up my baby glosses. I actually picked up the Baby Tin in Rose, and it all came together quite nicely. So loving the combo. I just wish it was a bit glossy. So yeah, they're the main things on my face. Primer, actually, I can't reach it because I've got like draw jigsaw going down here. Primer is Relove the Hydrate H201. But honestly guys, I love this palette. I was a bit skeptical from the swatches at first. Like, they were very hard swatches, but it blended so well. I love it, absolutely love it. The shimmer worked perfectly. I did build the shimmer up a little bit more than I usually do, but nevertheless looks perfect. It just blended like a dream. Yeah, I've got a bit of a mishap on this eye because I mixed the red and the purple and made like a muddy colour at some point, but I tried covering it up with the glitter. But love it, and I can't wait to watch ALIX and Jodie's video. It is gonna be insane because I've seen their looks already and they look amazing, so definitely go and check them out. This palette, £10, literally cannot go wrong. They did bring out like 2 big palettes as well, and then 3 mini palettes. The only big palette they didn't bring out was one of the berries, but I think that's because they've got a berry one already, but I think that's discontinued. Beautybay and every brand do that a lot, but there's 3 medium size, 3 small sizes of each colour, and 2 bigger sizes, but just not of the berry. So I really hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please smash a huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye!